Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and today's video is going to be on this hair by Ririhair. I will leave all of their information down below. If I sound like a nasal mess, my sinuses have been really bothering me lately, just horribly. So to the point where I didn't even feel like beating my face today. I'm just like, whatever. But I have been consistently wearing this wig since last Thursday. Today is now Monday. So I wore it over the weekend, and I plan on taking it off today just to do another wig review. But I absolutely love this wig. I love that it came pre-bleached. I love that it came with an elastic band in it, even though you'll see me later taking it out, just because I honestly don't like where it's placed in the wig, but it might work for somebody else. For me and my head shape, it didn't work for me. So I went ahead and took it out. But yeah, I love that it was pre-bleached. I love that I didn't really have to do anything to the hairline. I could have went in and did a little bit more tweezing, but I really wanted to give you guys a review where it wasn't so like you had to do so much work. So with this wig, it still can look extremely natural with it straight out the box, pretty much. Basically, you just got to straighten it because it's going to come kind of, you know, not styled the way you want it. So just style it the way you want it and place the wig on. But all of that other stuff, as far as bleaching the knots and tweezing and all of that stuff, is done for you, which I absolutely love. So I will leave all of the information down below. Go ahead and continue to watch the rest of the video, and I will see you queens in my next one. Thank you so much for my ride or dies, my supporters, my new subscribers, my old subscribers, all of you guys. I look at y'all as family. I pray for y'all. You know, I don't know y'all individually by name, but everybody is going through something. So please continue to pray for me. I will continue to pray for you guys, and I love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you queens in my next video. So this is what the packaging will look like when you receive your wig from Ririhair. I love how professional this packaging looks. It's, you guys know I'm a sucker for packaging. So you get the thank you card, a card with all the specs of your wig, and this is what your wig will look like. You will get some goodies, some caps, and also a brush too. I really like the brush. So the wig does come pre-bleached. The knots are already bleached, and I absolutely love it. So you can see that they are bleached, and also the wig does come with 3 combs in the front, a comb in the back with the adjustable elastic band in it as well. It does have like kind of hook and eyes like bra straps. So yeah, and then you get a comb in the back with adjustable straps, as I mentioned before. So you'll have those things, but this is bomb for somebody who just doesn't want to put in all of the work to prepare your wig for slayage. Okay, so right here I'm already have my cap on, and I'm doing the what is that, bald cap method. And I went ahead and just put on this wig. I wanted to just do it straight out of the box, and yeah, this is what I came up with. So I didn't really do anything extra to the wig at all. I didn't have to bleach the knots, of course, because they were already bleached. And then I didn't want to do anything to the hairline because I really wanted to see how natural it would look without having to do anything. Because some people just don't want to do all of that, and I completely understand. So I wanted to see if this is one company that you can invest in and not have to put in so much work. So yeah, the elastic band for me, it just wasn't working out, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, because my head is just, yeah, too small for anything at this point. So yeah, I'm going to adhere this wig with my Got to Be Free spray, and I'm just going to adhere the middle portion first, and then I'll work on the sides. You always want to call my phone. If it on the thing there. Message I read, yo. I know I'm in your head, yo. But you should come in at me bed, yo. So we can make love to be dead. So I pick up the phone, call you up
door. I pull up steady and baby ready for go. No long talk when she kissing on me slow. We make love until we can't anymore. Till the sunshine, I grab me fist. Tell her baby me off it go on me way. But just know you can call any day. Especially if you really need me. Feel. Come over. Come closer. She said let me hold ya. Let me hold ya baby. Come over. Be my soldier. She said let me hold ya. Let me hold ya baby. Come over. Come closer. She said let me hold ya. Let me hold ya baby. Come over. Be my soldier. She said let me hold ya. Let me hold ya baby.
So right here, I'm just going to use my edge control from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and finesse some baby hairs. As you can see, the hairline is not bad at all. It could be better if I went in and put in more work, but if you are one of those people like, okay, I don't have to put in all the work for it to give me a natural appearance, that's what I'm going to do. And I think that this is the perfect unit to do so. So I am going to go ahead and use my razor comb just to get my sideburns the way I want them to be. This is completely optional. The whole baby hair step is completely optional. You don't have to do any of it. For me, I just like the extraness of it all. Okay, so I'm just going to take some of this wax stick, and I'm going to go ahead and take care of those flyaways because there were quite a bit with this wig. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finesse the baby hairs, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts in a little bit. Just wrapping it up, you guys. I did notice that they might have over bleached on a portion of the part, and I don't want to look like I got a little bald spot, so I went in with some mascara just to get that portion together. yeah, and that's a quick and easy fix if you ever have that issue with this wig or any other wig for that matter. So just my final thoughts on this wig. I absolutely love it. I think it's perfect for those people who just don't feel like doing the absolute most just to prepare their wig. It's perfect for beginners. So let me know what you guys think down below. Should all of the wig companies kind of jump on this bandwagon, already preparing the elastic band for you and bleaching the knots and all of that good stuff. So let me know what you guys think down below. Like this video and subscribe, and I love you guys. I'll see you queens later. Deuces.